Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Thanks again for watching and for dropping by. So from Causeway Bay, I have taken my laboratory result. So here you go, my chest x-ray. Needed natin ito every year, but for me it's been 9 years and now lang ako nakapag medical ulit, and hopefully okay ang lahat ng result guys. So kinuha ko yung yung result doon, then dadalhin ko dito sa bahay since si amo is doctor, so siya na lahat mag-explain sa akin. Kaya maraming salamat po sa inyong support. Thank you. And if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I uploaded a new video. Thanks again for watching. Balik na ako ng bahay guys. Stay fit, eat healthy. Dahil health is wealth. So, dito na tayo sa Taiwan. And until next time. Kaya see you again. Bye bye everyone. Short video lang muna.